What is happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox this wireless charging case for your AirPods. Here we go.
1, 2, 3,
First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone, and also a bunch of unboxings, accessories for your iPhone. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. So basically, if we're looking at, if you already have an AirPods, if you bought one of the first generation AirPods and you want that wireless case for your AirPods, or maybe you've lost it just like I did, then this case will be able to give you the wireless charging and you don't have to buy new AirPods. This is pretty cheap as well. Coming from Apple, it's his premium product. It'll work authentically 100% with your AirPods. It'll work with the first gen and also the second gen. So here we go. Let's open up this box. Go. Don't need the plastic. Throw that out. There you go. First thing we see is the first literature designed by Apple in California. See what's inside. See if it comes with stickers. Little instructions on what you get, charge wirelessly, and all that stuff. So put that on the side. What about this? Some instructions. Nope, no stickers. All right, put those on the side. Don't need that. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there you go. So just like buying an AirPods, this is just the normal AirPods. As you could see in the middle right there, it's a little light indicator, lightning port in the bottom. That's it. Let's take it out this plastic right here. There you go. Let's put that on the side. So, and that's it. It's pretty cool. So design on the back that says design by Apple, California, assembled in China. This is your sync button as well on the back here. Front, like I said earlier, it's an LED. We're gonna test this all out, and in here, you're gonna put your AirPods in there and it should work. So let's put this box away and let's test it out. Now let's test out our wireless charging case if it works. There you go, it's just dropped down on your wireless charging case, on your wireless charging pad, and it'll charge. It's indicated right there with the light. Awesome. So now let's go ahead and sync that to our iPhone. Let's pull out our iPhone right here. Open up our AirPods. And there you go. Now it's charging. Now let's test out if it works. Let's put that right there. Let's play some music.
We're going to dedicate this next song to my father, Joe Mineo, the legend.
And there you go. It works. It's pretty cool. And that's it. So if you want to buy one yourself, get yourself a wireless charging on your AirPods 1. You'll be able to do that by just buying the wireless case from Apple. I'll be doing a review as well of this and a comparison to our old case wireless charging as well. This is a third-party one. and compare it to our brand new AirPod case, wireless charging case from Apple. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing of a wireless AirPods charging case for your AirPods. Version 1 and 2, doesn't matter. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below if you like this video. Share it to your friends who are debating if they should buy an AirPod and if they should buy a second generation or first generation AirPods and buy a wireless charging case. Make sure to check out my merch below at 1130.ca. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.